Good morning, friends. Today's unit number 4, topic name safety and risk. What is safety? The safety is a condition of being protected from unlikely to cause of dangers or risk or injuries. Example: we have two problems. One is a mistake made by engineer at work may result in huge losses. Another one, knowing all the possibility, if the engineers neglect the precautions, the results can be really distractions. This is a precaution from your precaution from loss of your product and rectify or before safety from your area. Next one, the safety is according to Williams W. Lawrence. The safety was defined as a thing is safe if it is risk or just to be acceptable. There are three cases safety. The first one is buying non-branded electrical tires from the local market without any guarantee may evenly send us the hospital with a serve electrical shock or burn. Second case, the consumptions of carbonate beverage like cola or the big cause of cancer 5% of world cancer patients. Third case, a group of make no judgment at all about whether the risk or thing are acceptable or not. This is neither safe or unsafe safe persons. The next one, safety is frequently expressed in terms of degree of comparison. One is fairly safe and relatively safe, and road travel is safer than air travel. The safety is same time is very precious and very value of term. The value because the extent and safety is value of judgment, but precious because it's many cases we can readily distinguish as a safe design from an unsafe one. It is possible to discuss safety without also including a discuss of risk. The risk is key element in any engineering design. It is impossible to design anything to complete the risk free. How much risk is appropriate? The how safe is safe enough? To answer the questions, we must first study of nature of safety and risk. Next one, the American Heritage Dictionary they define risk as the possibility of suffering, harms, or loss. The risk is sometimes used synonymously with dangerous. The same dictionary are defined safety, the freedom from damages or injurious or risk. The some circularity of to the definition. We engage in risky behavior when we do something that in unsafe and something unsafe it involve substances of risk. For example, safety and risk is essentially subjective and dependent on many factors. One is voluntary or involved risk and short-term versus long-term consequence and expected probability and reversible effects and threshold level of risk and delay or which immediate risk. These are some uh, safety risk essential, subjective, and depend on many factors. The next one, the measures based on chemical analysis, destructive testing, and drug testing, and government regulations and industry regulations and in industry regulations. For example, the examining activities by specialized to minimize physical stress or increase productivity, and geographical surveys to determine whether the land and water source are polluted, how firm the ground potential building site in extra. An instruction manual explain how to use the product or perform an activity. Suppose I handle the example, I handle the laboratory. First I prepare lab manual, after I work out, after I instructed from you okay. So this is one example instruction manual. Next one, internet safety explain how internet safety, um, the online safety is protection of the user, safety from cyber threats or computer crime in general, and root cause analysis to identify the causes of the system failure and correct deficiency. Next one, the physical examination to determine whether the person has physical condition would create some problem. And next one, stress testing. Subject the persons or product to stress in excess of those person or product is designed to handle. The determine the breaking point. Training of employee mentors product users. These are some measures to taken from safety oriented. Next one, this is the safety rules in industry. First one, you are responsible for own safety and safety to others. Second, wear the personal productivity equipments necessary for the job. This third one, always use equipment, tools, machinery, safety in properly. Fourth one, safety properly using your legs or not your back. Keep your work area clean. Wear appropriate and safe work clothing and footwears, and report any unsafe and conditions. Clean up and spills immediately. Report all injuries. The last one, no alcohol or drugs to be used or allowed on company property. These are some example for industrial safety. Suppose I am working in industry. First, I wear first head cap. Second one, glasses. Third one, jackets. That means body cover. Next one, hand gloves. And next one here, headphones. Next, breathe of your way. Masking. Fourth one, including breathe of your oxygen. Inhale or outhale of your oxygen. Fifth one, your shoes. Feet of your shoes. In safety, industrial safety for one example. These are some equipments to follow in those who are entering in the industry or chemical industry or any other industry. Is important one. Equipments to precaution measures for safety personals. These are some safety. If suppose I am constructing one building, construct one building means I have some fire extinguishers available in your building or implementation that particular area. These are some safety precaution signboards. So summary. So safety is important. So that is a